This is a free game about the anatomy of a sea star or starfish. You can play this game yourself. Look in the description to find a link. Press start. This is a Madreporite. Here we see gills. This is a ring canal. This is a podium. These are gonads. This is a spine. This is a radial canal. This is the stomach of a sea star. This is an ampulla. This is the anus. These are tube feet. This is the central disc. These are the digestive glands. And this is the radial nerve. You can play this game yourself. Look in the description to find a link.